let's continue our discussion on cross-border data transfer when it comes to the privacy compliance program. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, we are going to talk about the cross-border data transfers with respect to the privacy compliance total creating for enablers. We spoke about when we went ahead and formed data mapping and data inventory for our organization. We mapped it with the various data processing practices or processes that we have in the organization so that we know what personal data we have that we came to know from mapping and how is it being processed and are we following best practices around data principles. When that comes in, we spoke about limiting the purpose of the processing, purpose limitation. We spoke about providing consents. We also spoke about collecting data only required as per the purpose, data minimization, and of course seeking permission as consent. Then we spoke about the internal document called privacy policies and the external documents called privacy notice, which are issued to the external world, privacy policy for our own staff members. We discussed the details about the rights of the data principles and the way the vendors are supposed to be managed, the grievance redressal mechanism in the organization, security of data that we have in the organization, incident management and incident controls, best practices around the same, the privacy impact assessments and consent management. And in the previous video, we spoke about what cross-border data transfer is or what is an international data transfer. We're going to touch up on that again. Transfer of information from your country to any other country is cross-border data transfer or international data transfer. There could be various factors why we need this, and that could be you have international collaborations. Let's say you are exchanging your information with your foreign business associates. You are a global business and you have branch offices. You use cloud services. You outsource data for processing in a different country for saving cost on data processing. So for all these reasons, data would move out of your country into another third country. Please remember, global economy means data moves constantly from one country to another country. Now, all the mature privacy regulators have policies around cross-border data transfer or international movement of data. India DPDP Act, it is currently saying that it will do only for whitelisted countries. The factors that it could consider for whitelisting countries would be that would be about laws of the recipient country. What are the applicable laws there? What kind of national security is available in those countries? The strategic interests that are involved in that country. And as of now, we do have some rules yet to be finalized. We've provided the feedback to the government and we are expecting the finalized rules and the final act to be out anytime now. It's already April 2025. When the rules, the final laws comes in, we'll get a list of approved countries also. Right now, the only thing Indian DPDP Act says is that the country to which you are transferring the data should be approved by the government of India. So the control would stay with approvals of government of India. The GDPR, the European Union, they have defined clauses like adequacy, what kind of laws or proper laws on data protection does the recipient country have, standard contractual clauses, what clauses would be applicable when you are transferring data to any organization other than your own organization internationally from Europe to India. As to what is the what would be the clauses that would be involved when you are transferring data of European citizens from Europe to any other country within your organization. When the European company has multiple offices across the world. Legal mechanisms are very well defined in case of GDPR, but under DPDP Act, as of now, we are saying there's no contractual mechanism. The transfer would happen only through government notification. As of today, the law has been applied. Only law and rule has been told. So maybe when we get the final law applied in a few days, we get more details about the cross-border data transfer in DPDP Act also. Till the time data localization is important, so if you are using cloud service providers, then prefer to use the providers as well as the service. The law comes into picture, wait for the notified countries. So that's about the cross-border data transfer with respect to Indian DPDP Act. We'll discuss about SCC, BCR and adequacy in the next video. Till that time, share your feedback in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please press the bell and like icon. Thank you.